So in your introduction, you have to give not 4 points. Your name, your profession, from where you belongs to, your city or locality, and your why have you joined this platform for 3-day workshop. Okay. So raise your hand and be the leader. Who is going to introduce himself first? Please. Okay, Ranjit ji, please.
I am Ranjit Maji from West
Okay.
Bengal, Bardhaman State.
Okay.
West Bengal, Bardhaman, Guskora.
Okay, very nice.
I am
What do you do?
businessman.
You are a businessman?
I am
Okay.
businessman.
Okay. Why have you
Both
joined this 3-day platform, 3-day workshop?
I try to speak English
Fluently.
with my kids.
Fluently. Yeah, okay, okay, okay.
Fluently.
Okay, thank you. And next, who was raising hand? Aniket. Aniket, please introduce yourself. I will come to you, each and everyone. Yunus Mulani and Jogi Somesh Bedbal. I would like to request you to switch on your camera. Yes, Aniket, please unmute yourself and speak.
Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Myself is Aniket Soni, and I am by profession I am a fashion photographer, and I belong from Delhi, and I'm here just to improve my confidence and my fluency. That's why I'm here, and I just greet everyone. Hello.
Okay, hello. Thank you very much. Subhas Ingle.
That's
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes. Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Please. By then
Yes,
I can take. Okay,
yes, sir.
please start.
Can you hear, sir?
Please. Yes, I'm
Yes.
hearing. Please. Everyone
Yes,
is
sir.
hearing.
I am Dr. Subhash Shingle. Hello, everyone.
Okay. Hello.
I am professor in ESC College, Maharashtra.
Okay.
I am proper from Kolhapur district in
Wow.
Ichalkaranji.
Wow.
I am a professor in college for the subject of botany, science
Okay.
subject.
Wow,
And
great. Why have you joined this 3-day workshop? आपको क्यों ज्वाइन करना है? क्यों ज्वाइन किए हैं आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म में 3-day वर्कशॉप के लिए? Subhas ji, are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Once again, sir.
आप क्यों ज्वाइन किया इन 3 दिन का वर्कशॉप में? क्या चाहिए आपको इस वर्कशॉप से?
क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश में ज्यादा प्रोग्रेस चाहिए सर. I want progress in English for fluency.
Okay, fluency is the main tool. Okay, thank you very much. Usha ji.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. My full name is Dr. Usha Kiran Kaushik. I am an anesthesiologist by profession. I am working at district Anuppur from Madhya Pradesh. And
Wow.
sir, I want to learn English, and I have joined this workshop because of 3 reasons. First, whenever I go to any workshop, any big conferences where the people from all India, all world came there, they speak very good English, and I was feeling hesitated to talk with them and make communication with them. So this is my first reason to join this workshop, and second is I want to speak English with my kids so they can learn to speak English. And third reason is whenever any patient came to me and speak English, so that time I will discuss with them in English with full confidence and fluency.
Wow, great. Thank you, Usha ji. And Ayush.
Hello everyone. I am from the Mumbai, and we have joined this session and this workshop for the English improvement and fluency in my speaking. And also I am looking the actually the many interviews and many discussion in the meetings. So we have to we need to improve my fluency in the English actually. So what we have to thoughts, so we have to present immediately in the meetings actually.
Okay. Thank you very much. Harshdeep.
Hi everyone, my name is Harshdeep Asogi. I'm from Hardoi. I'm an MBA student. I'll join this class from my English speaking sharp and
Okay.
communicate with no hesitation.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Jogi Somesh Vedpal.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Shomesh and
Hmm.
I'm from Haryana. Currently, I'm working as a operations specialist as a
Wow.
team leader in a US-based travel company.
Great.
And my main reason to join this workshop is like, yeah, sure, I definitely want to improve my English and grammar as well.
Mhm.
But my more interest in the neurology, like how we can apply it to
Absolutely.
the
Absolutely.
English speaking and fluency. Yeah.
Great. 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 Sandeep Yadav.
Hello everyone. My name is Sandeep Yadav. I am from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I am present time to learn English, but sir, very poor English. And
Okay. So you also would like to improve your English. Am I right? Fluency.
yes, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay. Yunus Mulani.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yunus Malani. Basically, I came from Pune, and I'm a professional as a
If
banker.
possible, please switch on your camera, Yunus.
Currently, I'm traveling. That's the reason I
Okay.
am
Okay.
unable
Okay.
to switch on
Okay.
camera.
When you reach your destination, please switch on your camera. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Please
yeah,
continue.
yeah. And then currently, I'm working with as a professional as a banker. I want to increase my fluent English because of I interact with many customers. Is the HNI customers. That's why I want to increase my communication.
Okay. 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 So I believe all have covered. Usaji, please switch on your camera. Okay. So from all your introduction, I somehow believe that you all have joined this platform to enhance your English fluency. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So what does it mean by fluency? Yesterday's session, Subhash Karthik sir already told you about it. Thorough discussion he has done. So I just want to know one point from you. What does it mean by fluency? Ayush, आपको क्या लगता है फ्लुएंसी क्या है?
Actually,
Ayush, are you
I
there?
feel, yeah, yes, I am available.
Yes, please.
Actually, fluency depend on the as one have to present and communicate with the other peoples. Okay, so so fluency will come where the knowledge in the subject what we have to discuss in the meetings first of all, and second we have to present my internal thoughts in through the communication skills, and second we have to I believe we have to present in meetings. So we have to understand what the discussion is.
Okay, thank you.
Discussing is.
I got your point.
So
Thank you.
it is some regions, so we have to improve.
Okay, thank you. Aniket, do you have any more ideas?
So basically, as yesterday, Subhash sir said, earlier we thought that fluency means that we uh, thought something in our mind, then we translate into English. But he myth-busted our this myth-busted that the fluency is the encoding, not the translation of the English. That's why I think that the fluency is very must as compared to the correct English.
Thank you. Usaji, you are raising hand, please.
Yes, sir. I think fluency means convey your thoughts in a comfortable and easy manner.
Okay, very nice. Anyone would like to add something? Yogi, Somesh, Subhash Single? Yes, Yogi बताओ. Somesh जी बताइए.
Okay, so fluency is basically we can like express our thoughts more clearly, and it should be in any language, but you should like just speak without any doubt or translating it. Like if you are speaking in Hindi, then also you just think and speak in Hindi. If you want to speak
Wow.
in English, just think and speak in English.
Wow,
Yeah,
great, great.
that's the fluency.
Subhas Single.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, fluency is not a matter of speed, slow or that is fast, but the fluency is only the thoughts is coming in your mind. They are speaking without hesitation or translation. So that is the
Okay.
fluency. Yeah, yes.
Okay. Anyone else would like to add something? Ranjit ji, would you like to add something?
Some thoughts in my mind. This thought express anybody.
Okay. Thank you. Harshdeep, would you like to add something?
No, sir. All members give a thought, sir.
Have
उसी से
covered. All have
Yes.
covered. So let
Yes.
me finish. Let me just summarize the thing which you have already told. Okay. Fluency doesn't mean speaking very fast. Fluency doesn't mean speaking continuously. Fluency doesn't mean I can't take a pause while speaking. Then what does fluency mean? Fluency is all about thinking and speaking. Thinking and speaking. The rate of idea generation in our brain should match with our sentence production. Suppose Usaji is creating 100 ideas in 1 minute. So she should be in a position to speak all 100 ideas in that particular time. Maybe Ayush is generating only 10 ideas. So he should be able to speak 10 sentences without any error. Am I right? All are agree to me, I believe.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So without knowing the definition of fluency, we could not work on it. So first of all, we have to clear our doubt that fluency is simply thinking and speaking. Thinking and speaking. Motorola, please switch on your camera and rename yourself. What is your name? Please write it. Okay. Otherwise, I have to call you again and again by saying Motorola. It will not sound good. Okay. So you have all joined this platform to enhance your fluency. And in this platform, we always go for the neuro technique, the neuroscience. Okay, you all are mesmerized by this neuro technique by yesterday's session, and there would be a life-changing session tomorrow also. Okay, so everyone, don't miss any session. You have paid for this, so please try to grasp all the knowledge from this. Okay, in this platform, we go for many types of different types of activities by which we could achieve our fluency. Okay, so first of all, I will go warm-up activity of the day. And what is warm-up activity? You know tongue twister. How many of you know about tongue twisters? हिंदी में है चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को, ऐसा कुछ है. किसी को पता है? बताओ ना थोड़ा सा. Someone please. किसी को पता है ये?
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
वाओ, ग्रेट. देखिए, मैं तो हिंदी स्पीकिंग हूं नहीं, तो मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे पता है इस टाइप का कुछ है. एक मूवी में देखा था. कौन सा मूवी था वो?
वो नहीं पता. आई डोंट नो.
नहीं पता. अच्छा. ये मेरे ख्याल से करीना कपूर का कोई मूवी था. करीना कपूर और ये मेरे ख्याल से वो शाहरुख खान करीना कपूर के साथ मूवी, मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है. मैं देखा था उस मूवी में ये वाला डायलॉग. ठीक है, तो अभी मेरा स्क्रीन आप लोगों को विजिबल है? आप लोग देख पा रहे हो मेरा स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir.
So tongue twister is a practice activity. It is a
Yes, sir.
warm-up activity. By this warm-up
Yes, sir.
activity or practice activity, we can improve our fluency with the great fun exercises. Okay?
Okay.
So the first tongue twister of the day. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Some public generally क्या होता है, किसी को R और L, लॉ और रॉ बोलने में दिक्कत होता है. तो उन लोगों के लिए ये रेड लॉरी येलो लॉरी बोलने से क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा
Red Lorry,
हमारा जो
Red lorry,
तो
yellow red.
let me start. Everyone please switch off your sound, म्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को, उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. आई विल टेक वन बाय वन. ओके, आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आप लोग कंटिन्यू कीजिए अपना प्रैक्टिस, लेकिन मैं एक एक करके सबको लूंगा, ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गो विथ उषा मैम. Ladies first, she is the only lady, so I will give her the chance. Okay, and everyone please practice yourself. Okay, please madam continue. Usha ji.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Faster. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. जितना fast आप बोल सकते हो.
Red lorry, yellow lorry. 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 Red lorry, yellow
Okay.
lorry. Red
Thank
lorry,
you.
yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Thank you. So right now, is my screen visible to you or not? Okay, right now I am going to Ranjit ji. Ranjit ji, please. रंजीत जी अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को, म्यूट हो आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Red Lorry,
प्लीज
yellow
बोलो.
lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
You have great energy. Thank you. So who is going to speak now? Betty butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Okay, Aniket. Aniket is smiling. I am going to Aniket. Please, Aniket. अनम्यूट करो पहले, अनम्यूट करो. अदर्स प्रैक्टिस योरसेल्फ. ओके, जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बेटी बटर बॉट सम बटर बट द बटर वाज बिटर. अनिकेत.
Okay, sir. Betty butter bought some butter, but Betty butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty butter
Okay,
bought some
thank
butter,
you,
but the butter was bitter.
Somesh.
Betty butter bought
Somesh.
some butter.
Okay, thank you. Somesh, अनम्यूट करो पहले. हाँ, अदर्स प्रैक्टिस करते रहो.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter.
बीच में स्टक हो रहा है ना, बीच में स्टक हो रहा है. जितना
actually,
प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना
was पे
फ्री
stuck
होगा.
हो रहा है actually.
हाँ, यस. अभी संदीप जादव. संदीप जी.
Betty Butter bought same butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty Butter bought same butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty Butter
Fast.
bought butter. Betty Butter. So Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter.
Thank you. So next, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. हर्षदीप, अनम्यूट करो और बोलो. बाकी सब लोग प्रैक्टिस करो. हर्षदीप अनम्यूट करो, बोलो.
Yes. Fuzzy Wuzzy was where Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. So Fuzzy Wuzzy was where Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. He was fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was where Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was where Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy
Okay,
was
thank
where
you,
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Harshdeep. Thank you.
Okay.
You keep on practicing by muting yourself. Subhas Ingleji, I will come to you. Fuzzy
Yes, sir,
Wuzzy
yes.
had no hair.
Yes, sir. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Fuzzy
Okay.
Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had not hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't bear. Fuzzy was he. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't bear. Fuzzy was he.
Okay. Very nice. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
So who is
Thank you, sir.
left? Yunus Mulani. Mulani जी, आप बोलने की जगह पे हो, आप बोल सकते हो. Are you ready to speak?
No, sir.
Okay, no issue. So
Yeah.
Anita, I will come to Anita. Anita, are you ready? Please unmute yourself and
Yes.
please switch on your camera, dear. Please. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Please.
Yes. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Fuzzy wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Fuzzy
Thank
wuzzy
you,
was a
thank
bear.
you, thank you. Others,
Thank you, sir.
you have to keep on practicing. Okay, this is for our mouth warming. Okay, so Motorola, are you ready to speak? Motorola, I would like to request you. I am requesting you to switch on your camera and speak. Motorola, are you ready to speak? आपको बोलना है, अपने आप को कम से कम अनम्यूट करो और कैमरा में आओ, नहीं तो फिर ये सेशन का कोई मजा नहीं आएगा। जब तक आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, आप लिख के ले लो, आप कभी बोल नहीं पाओगे। अगर इंग्लिश का सुधारना है तो आपको इंग्लिश को बोलना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो जो लोग कैमरा बंद रखे हो, दोज हु आर कैमरा इज ऑफ, whose camera is off, please switch on your camera. Harshdeep, Anita, Aniket, Yunus. Yes, Motorola, please. Fuzzy wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Please, बोलिए।
Fuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy wuzzy wasn't hairy. Fuzzy was he? Fuzzy
आपका
wuzzy
नाम
was
क्या
a
है? आपका
bear.
नाम क्या है
Fuzzy
मोटरोला?
had no.
What is your name?
भागवत दास।
अच्छा, भागवत जी, भागवत
भागवत
जी,
दास।
वेरी नाइस। हाँ, समझ गया। आप फॉरेस्ट में हो, मुझे पता है। अब अपने आप को क्यों छुपा रहे हो? कैमरा को ऑन करो ना। छुपाने से नहीं सीख पाओगे। छुपाने से नहीं सीख पाओगे। हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है। अब नेक्स्ट और लास्ट, यूनिक न्यूयॉर्क। यू नो यू नीड यूनिक न्यूयॉर्क। कौन बोलेगा? हु इज गोइंग टू स्पीक दिस? हाथ रेज करो, हैंड रेज करो, मैं उनको चांस दूंगा। यूनिक न्यूयॉर्क, यू नो यू नीड यूनिक न्यूयॉर्क। कौन है? किसको बोलना है? कोई तो हाथ रेज करो, किसी को नहीं बोलना है। हाँ, संदीप जी प्लीज। बाकी लोग प्रैक्टिस करो। यूनिक न्यूयॉर्क, यू नो यू नीड यूनिक न्यूयॉर्क। यस,
Unique New York, you know you need unique New York, unique New York, you know you need unique New York, unique New York, you know you need unique New York, unique New York, you know you need unique New York, unique New
okay,
York.
संदीप जी, थैंक यू। आयुष, थैंक यू। आयुष,
Unique New York. You know you need unique New York. Unique New York. You know you need unique New York.
थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो रहा है ना, थोड़ा सा स्टक अप हो रहा है ना।
Yes.
Okay,
Unique
thank
New
you।
York. You know you need unique New York. Yeah.
ओके, उषा जी प्लीज अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को। बाकी लोग प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, इसको थोड़ा सा माउथ वार्मिंग होगा, आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर नहीं होगा। थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करो। उषा जी प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, अनम्यूट करो।
Yes, sir. My son wanted to.
हाँ, ओके, बोलने दो, कोई बात नहीं, बेटा बोलो।
New York, you know you need unique New York, unique New York, you know you need unique New York, unique New York, you know you need unique New York.
Wow, great. You have spoken best out of this lot. You are the best
Great.
speaker. Thank you very much. Wow, great. So, please tell me, how was this tongue twisters practice? आप लोगों को कैसे लगा? ठीक लगा? नहीं लगा? कैसे लगा? कुछ तो बोलो। Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was great.
Nice.
Okay.
Very nice, excellent sir.
तो आप लोग अगर ऐसा प्रैक्टिस करते जाओगे तो आपका फ्लुएंसी लेवल बढ़ेगा। ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अभी क्या है, अभी हम लोग अपना सेकेंड एक्टिविटी में जाएंगे। वी विल गो टू आवर सेकेंड एक्टिविटी। एंड व्हाट इज दैट एक्टिविटी? यू नो, एक लव स्टोरी है, बट दिस लव स्टोरी इज नॉट ए नॉर्मल लव स्टोरी, इट्स ए different love story. It's a neuro based love story. In this platform we always follow the neuro based technique. Okay, and in this neuro love story, is my screen visible to you all? Yeah, there is a heroine, Lady Stone sculpture, SCULPTURE। क्या होता है स्कल्पचर का मीनिंग? किसने बताएगा? स्कल्पचर का मीनिंग क्या है? मूर्ति, स्टैचू। यस, थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो इस कहानी में जो हीरोइन है वो है एक लेडी स्टोन स्टैचू, एंड इन दिस स्टोरी देयर इज 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 heroes are there. So from the introduction itself, you can understand how much interesting the story would be. एक फूल और 4 मालियां। अच्छा एक बात बताओ, हम में से किस किस को अपना लव स्टोरी है? जरूर होगा। मेरा तो है अपना। I do have some love story with me, but right now I am not going to disclose my love story or your love story here. I am going to narrate about the love story of a beautiful lady stone sculpture. Okay, let us start. The first hero of the story, poor sculptor. SCULPTUR. Sculptor का मीनिंग क्या है? इसको पता है? Who will tell?
मूर्तिकार।
मूर्ति मेकर,
very nice, very nice. हिंदी में मूर्तिकार बोलते हैं those who make statue. Okay. So our hero was a poor sculptor who created that beautiful stone statue just standing behind his picture. And at the time of making this statue, he has given all of his skill into it, okay? And it was a beautiful creation. And you know what? At the time of creation, he himself fell in love with that statue. Am I audible?
Class.
अर्शदीप, अगर कुछ बोलना होगा तो आप म्यूट करके बोलो, ठीक है? मतलब बाकी लोगों से बोलना होगा तो ओके। तो what happened? He himself fell in love with that statue, and he decided not to sell that creation to anyone else. Right now, $1 million question is there for all of you. Whether he will sell that statue. Basically, he has created that statue to earn money. But right now, he has fallen in love with that statue. So, right now, we have to answer whether his love would be long-lasting or it would be faded with the due course of time. Okay? So, let us move. Our second hero, the magician, came into the picture. Okay? And he has left with only one magic, his last magic left, who came to know about this statue, and somehow he wanted to get that statue in his life. So he made a visit and tried to convince that poor sculptor. But the sculptor told, no. I am not going to sell that statue to anyone else because I am in love with her. But magician is magician. He has applied his magical power. आप लोग सारे लोग म्यूट कर लो प्लीज, आपकी आवाज यहाँ आएगा तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगा। प्लीज किसका अनम्यूट है वो प्लीज म्यूट कर लो सब लोग। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड? he convinced that sculptor to sell his creation, and in lieu of that he offered a lot of money. Actually, all of his savings he handed over to that poor sculptor. And after purchasing that lady stone statue, the magician applied his last magic, abracadabra giligiligo. And you know what? He made that lady stone statue into a living lady. Yes, you heard me right. He has given life to that lady stone sculpture. And right now, the statue become a living lady statue. Okay? And he started living with that statue, spending with that statue, living lady statue, for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, almost 100 days has been passed. Until our third hero, the poor tailor, came into the picture. He was passing by with some customers' clothes in his hand, and he somehow got to know about that living lady statue. And for the sake of curiosity, he made a visit. And after watching that lady, he felt very bad. You know why? Because the lady was still naked the way it was created. The poor sculptor ने जैसे बनाया था स्टोन के ऊपर, एक उसके ऊपर कोई कपड़ा नहीं था, तो जो लिविंग लेडी बन गया उनके पास भी कोई कपड़ा नहीं है, तो कितना खराब लगेगा सोचो. Poor tailor was felt very bad, and what he did, he handed over one of his customers' clothes to that magician to hand over that to that lady, and he went after. After putting on the red gown handed over by that poor tailor, the lady becomes simply dead gorgeous. What? Our hero magician started thinking. He started feeling guilty. He started thinking, why I could not feel the same the tailor felt. I have already spent 100 days with her, but I didn't take care of her dignity. He somehow started feeling that he doesn't deserve her, and he decided to give that living statue to someone who is rich and can take care of her well. Okay? And in this juncture of the story, our fourth hero, the rich goldsmith, arrived into the picture. He was a little bit old. He said to the magician, my dear magician, please give that lady to me. I am rich. I want to give that lady a rich life, rich house, rich car, money, everything. Don't worry about money. I will give you a lot of money in lieu of that. I can pay you the best. Okay? After listening that from that goldsmith, the magician got convinced, and he simply handed over that lady to the goldsmith, but surprisingly did not take money from the goldsmith. Yes, you heard me right. The magician did not take a single penny from that goldsmith. In lieu of that, he simply handed over that lady for nothing. And our story ended. But the story throws a question for all of us. What do you think? Who deserves the lady more? The poor sculptor, the magician, the tailor, or the goldsmith? इन चारों में से कोई, और someone else जिनके बारे में हम जानते भी नहीं. What do you think? Who deserves that lady more? This question is for all of us, okay? But I don't want your answer right now. I am creating some breakout room with your body partners. In that breakout room, you two partner will be there, and you will discuss regarding this. 2 or 3 partners will be there, okay? And you will discuss who deserves that lady more. But यहाँ पे एक शर्त है, ब्रेकआउट रूम में जाके आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना है. You have to speak in English. You know what? Our grammar coach or specialist language trainer, Mainur ma'am, has given a license to me to hand over it to you. And what kind of license you know? You have to speak English without any fear of being judged. Need not to think about vocabulary, need not to think about the mistake. Okay? Only thing, this is a fluency session. In this fluency session, you have to speak in English. Okay? So right now, I am going to create the breakout room. Everyone, you will get one link. Please click and join. Okay? Everyone, please join. And discuss with your body partner who deserves that lady more. Everyone, please join. Anita, Bhagwat ji, please join the breakout room. Okay? Anita and Bhagwat ji. Bhagwat ji, please join. आप ज्वाइन हो जाओ. आपके पास लिंक गया है, देखो. हो रहा है भगवत जी? क्या हो गया? आप नहीं ज्वाइन हो पा रहे हो क्या? भगवत जी, ट्राई टू ज्वाइन. Okay, I'm moving. I am sending you some link again. Okay, please join there, and after that I will send you some other link. Please join there. Okay, Bhagwat ji, please click on the link. Bhagwat ji, are you ready to join or not? नहीं ज्वाइन
join sir.
करोगे तो कहाँ
I
तो
have
ज्वाइन
joined.
करो ना. नहीं नहीं, यहाँ नहीं, आपको देखो एक लिंक गया है आपके इसमें, वहाँ क्लिक करो और ज्वाइन करो रूम नंबर 4 पे, रूम नंबर 1 पे. फिर से मैं भेजता. हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू.
Okay.
So Anita ji, Jogi and Bhagwat ji, please start discussing. What happened, Anita ji?
Nothing,
आपस
sir.
में
We are
डिस्कस.
just connected because, but I am not able to hear like Sumesh properly due to some
Yeah.
noise.
Okay, okay. So let Somesh discuss the story to you. Let Somesh tell the story to you.
Actually, I have
Oh,
not like what was the story. Actually, I'm not was like on. I was not online at that time. Actually, I got disconnected.
Okay, okay. Let me tell you the story.
Okay.
See, in this story, there is a lady stone sculpture.
Okay.
The poor sculptor made that statue. Okay, मैं हिंदी में
Okay.
बोलूं, अनिता
Yeah,
जी?
it's fine.
हाँ जी
तो
सर, चलेगा, no problem.
अच्छा, तो स्कल्पचर ने उसको बनाया और उनको लगा कि मैं इसको किसी को बेचूंगा नहीं, क्योंकि मैं इसके साथ, उन्हीं के साथ उनको प्यार हो गया.
Okay.
लेकिन मैजिशियन आया, उसने कन्विंस किया उस स्कल्पटर को, बोला भाई मैं तुमको लॉट ऑफ मनी दूंगा. तो उसने अपना पूरा जिंदगी का सेविंग उसके हाथ में दे दिया और उस लेडी स्टोन स्टैचू को खरीद लिया. खरीदने के बाद उसने उसमें जिंदगी दे दिया, जान डाल दिया. ठीक है.
Okay.
अब जान डालने के बाद क्या हुआ, उनके साथ वो रहने लगा. 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन 100 दिन पास हो गया. उसी टाइम एक पुअर टेलर जो उसी का बगल बगल में रहते थे, वो अपना कस्टमर क्लॉथ लेके जा रहे थे. तो मुझे उनको लगा कि अरे यार, एक स्टैचू बनाया है बहुत अच्छा, और उसने लिविंग स्टैचू हो गया, तो मैं देख के आता हूँ. तो देखने गया तो उन्होंने देखा कि उस लेडी का कपड़ा ही नहीं है. तो उनको बहुत बुरा लगा, अरे यार ऐसे कैसे होगा, जैसा उन्होंने बनाया वैसे ही रह गया. तो उन्होंने जल्दी से एक अपना कस्टमर का क्लोथ उसके हाथ में दिया और भाग गया. अरे यार, एक नेकेड लेडी के सामने कैसे खड़ा हो सकता हूँ, नेकेड लेडी के सामने. ठीक है. तो वो मैजिशियन क्या किया, उस कपड़ा को दिया, और कपड़ा देने के बाद वो सोचने लगा, अरे यार मैं तो 100 दिन से इनके साथ हूँ, मैं क्यों नहीं सोचा इसके डिग्निटी के बारे में, इसका ड्रेस के बारे में, इनके प्रेस्टीज के बारे में, तो मैं इनको डिजर्व नहीं करता हूँ. तो उन्होंने सोचा किसी और बंदा जो रीच है उसको मैं हैंड ओवर कर दूंगा. तब गोल्ड स्मिथ आया. गोल्ड स्मिथ एक बुरा आदमी है. उन्होंने बोला भाई मैं तुम्हें लॉट ऑफ मनी देता हूँ, इस लेडी का केयर करूंगा, सब कुछ करूंगा, आप क्या करो, इसको मुझे दे दो. तो उन्होंने उनको दे दिया. ठीक है. और स्टोरी खत्म हो. अब आप लोगों को डिस्कस करना है कि इस 4 हीरो में से कौन सा हीरो उस लेडी को डिजर्व करता है. या तो ये 4 डिजर्व करता है, नहीं तो एक और भी हो सकता है, कुछ और आंसर भी हो सकता है. तो आप लोग ये आंसर सोच के आपस में इंग्लिश में डिस्कस करो, हु डिजर्व्स दैट लेडी मोर. ओके अनिता जी?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please start. I am going to another breakout room. Bhagwat ji, please try to take part. This is your day. You have to speak English. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anita ji and Somesh ji, please start.
Okay. So I think Taylor deserve that.
Usha ji and Sandeep ji, what are you doing? I am not listening any word from you. Who deserves that lady more? Sandeep ji, discussion हो गया क्या?
No, sir. Ma'am, no speak, ma'am. Unmute, ma'am. No, sir. Sir, mute,
Usha ji,
ma'am.
please unmute yourself and discuss who deserves the lady more. आप लोगों को समझ में आया कि नहीं आया स्टोरी? उषा जी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
आप लोग डिस्कस करो, इसीलिए तो ब्रेकआउट रूम में आए हो. कौन
sir,
इस लड़की को?
I was discussing, but I was muted that time.
हाँ, तो right now you unmute and discuss. Enough time will be there for you. Sandeep ji, please listen to her and you also discuss about it. Okay? This is your body partner. Please I'm going to another breakout room. Please start.
Sir, according to me, I think the magician is most deserving person because he gave a life to the.
So Ayush,
Actually, he has prepared,
hello sir.
I think the specular has prepared the statue, but I reserve where he who can maintain this, first of all. So I think the last one, the gold person, is the
Okay.
best way. He is the deserving for the keep this lady statue, and he will the able to maintain the statue suppose I can say कि maintain the all thing the statue and he is a rich
Yeah, correct,
person
Ayush.
provide the all things whatever the needed.
So you want to say that he can afford her, he can fulfill her wishes, and he can
Fulfill means
maintain
he provide the
all the
jewelry and
expenses of her.
yes.
Ranjit ji, you also take part.
So
Why
he
are you
can provide
silence?
the luxuries of her.
You also express your thought.
Sculptor making the statue. His work.
What happened, Hardeep, Subhash ji, Yunus? Have you discussed
Yes,
who
sir.
deserves
Yes.
that lady more?
Lady deserve more, sir. Stone clutcher.
Acha, sculptor. Why?
Because sculpture was the main creator.
Okay.
So that
And Hardeep, what do you think? Who deserves the lady more? Hardeep, you are muted. Please tell. Bolo. Who deserves that lady?
Sir, sculpture.
Sculptor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you think like that? आपको क्यों लगता है कि वही डिजर्व करते हैं, अदर्स क्यों नहीं करते? इसी के बारे में तो बोलना है। ये देखिए, ये दिस इज अ टॉपिक टू डिस्कस. You have to discuss all the thing. Then only your right brain, your ideas will be there. The much you create your idea in your brain, the much you are in a position to speak. That's why this is neuro-based story. Okay, story is a open-ended story, so anyone can be the deserving person. Yes, welcome back, everyone. I believe
Sir,
all have welcome.
Thank you, welcome.
Okay, so one by one, right now I am going to ask who deserves that lady more. Aniket ji, क्या लगता है?
Sir, just as you said that beside these four characters, the fifth person can also enter into the story. So maybe the goldsmith was looking for her son, for his son, or some.
Okay.
We can think out of the box. That's why.
Okay. Thank you. So Usha ji, what do you think?
According to me, I think musician is the most deserving person.
Because?
Because sir, he first point is that he give life to that sculpture. So he is the person who is giving life to the statue. Means he make her meaningful, and he was so much in love and with that statue. And the third thing is that he was feeling very
Harshdeep,
guilty
please mute
of
yourself.
not
Harshdeep, तुम्हारे साइड से आवाज आ रहा है. Harshdeep, अपने आप को म्यूट करके रखो. मैं जब बोलूंगा तो अनम्यूट करना. अभी म्यूट करके रखो. आपकी तरफ से कोई आवाज दे रहा है. बच्चा लोग है ना आपके साथ? हाँ, बोलिए.
when he realized he was not taking care of her that much properly, he was why the thought was not coming to his mind to take care of his dignity. He feel guilty of that, and that also indicate the person is good. And the third thing is he want to give her love to some person who was taking care of her nicely.
Okay,
So
okay,
all
okay.
these three things indicate he
Okay, thank you.
is.
Thank you. So, Ranjit ji, what is your opinion? Sculptor. You told me in the breakout
Sculptor.
room. Okay.
Sculptor make her.
Made her. Made her.
Made her.
Okay, okay, thank you. So, Sandeep Yadav, what is your opinion?
Sir, Taylor, sir.
Taylor, okay.
Yes, sir.
According to Taylor, very nice. So,
Yes.
Somesh, what is your idea?
I think Taylor deserves her.
Taylor, okay.
That I
Okay. Great, great. So, Anita ji, what is your idea? Anita?
According to me, none of them deserves her.
Okay, very nice. Who will deserve? With whom the lady will be?
Might be someone else.
Hmm.
The fifth person who will come in the picture, because as per me, nobody deserves her.
Okay. Subhas ji, Subhas Single.
Yes, sir. My opinion is to first is a sculptor.
Sculptor,
Because-
sculptor, sculptor.
yes.
SCULPTUR. Sculptor.
Yes.
TOR, sorry.
Yes. Sculpture.
Okay. Sculptor. TOR. TOR.
Sculpture.
R हो जाएगा तो फिर स्टैचू हो जाएगा, और टॉर होगा तो जो बनाने वाला हो जाएगा, ठीक है?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So everyone has expressed your ideas. Thank you. देखिए, ये कोई न्यूरोबस्ट स्टोरी था, तो इसका कोई सही जवाब नहीं होता है, कोई गलत जवाब नहीं होता है. ओनली थिंग, ब्रेकआउट रूम में जाके आपको इंग्लिश में डिस्कस करना था. इसमें अगर कोई डेड एंड होता तो सबको पता लगता है यार ये हो जाएगा, एक्स हो जाएगा, वाई हो जाएगा, तो उसके आगे कोई डिस्कशन होता नहीं. इसलिए ऐसा स्टोरी दिया गया कि चारों में से चारों डिजर्विंग हो सकता है. जैसा अनिता जी ने बताया, कोई डिजर्व नहीं करता है. तो इसमें क्या है, आपको बात करने का मौका मिला. ठीक है, ये फ्लुएंसी सेशन है, तो फ्लुएंसी सेशन में आपको बुलवाया जाएगा. वी विल गिव यू दिस टाइप ऑफ मेनी एक्टिविटी इन आवर रेगुलर क्लासेस, सो your fluency would be enhanced. Okay, so let me tell you my answer. No right answer, wrong answer, my answer. According to Anita ji, nobody deserves. Okay, Anita ji is somehow right to my answer. Okay, but Anita ji and Usha ji, you both are lady. Why didn't you tell that the lady herself will decide with whom she will go? क्यों हम उस लेडी के पास नहीं गए कि भाई आप किसके साथ जाना चाहते हो, आप किसका प्यार को महसूस कर रहे हो, स्कल्पटर का, मैजिशियन का, टेलर का या गोल्ड स्मिथ का? उसका तो अपना चॉइस है ना.
Yes.
क्या अनिता जी, आर यू एग्री विथ मी? आर यू एग्रीड विथ मी? डू यू एग्री?
नो सर, बिकॉज वो तो एक स्कल्पचर है ना, सो वो कैसे डिसाइड कर
स्कल्पचर
सकती
है? आपने सुना नहीं, को जान दिया मैजिशियन ने, अभी वो लेडी हो गया है,
अगर
लिविंग
जान
लेडी है.
दिया था तो she can ask for that time only, at when that like magician was handing over to that rich person, she can ask for, right? So I don't think so she can decide.
Okay,
Everybody just
okay.
deciding and
Yeah, please continue. Please continue.
everybody deciding and just giving decision to her, like sculpture just sold her due to her due to his need. Then magician, after realizing that he is not deserving her, then he just like after the like the what sorry, after the word of with that Taylor just said that because of, I can say, as per me, just on the sense of humanity, he just thought that there is a lady who is naked, or is it a
Okay,
live
okay.
or a sculpture? So I don't think
Okay.
so. Taylor is the perfect person.
Actually, Anita ji, I have already told there is no right answer, no wrong answer.
Yes, yes,
but
yes.
this is the topic to discuss.
Yes, yes,
Whatever I
yes,
have
sir.
told, you also contrary to that, and again the discussion started.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, sir.
the motto is to speak more and
Yes,
more.
sir.
अगर
Yes,
मैं
sir.
आपको बोलूं कि आप 1 घंटा बातें करो, किस चीज में
Yes,
बातें करो?
sir.
नहीं, तो आपको टॉपिक देना है, उसी टॉपिक में डिस्कस करना है। तो
Yes,
हम
sir.
लोग
Right.
in this platform we are giving you the topic, this type of topic, interesting topic, so that idea will be generated. See, since last half an hour you all are speaking in English,
Yes,
but
sir.
still you are not bored, you all
Yes.
are enjoying. Am I right?
Correct.
We need
Correct.
to
Yes,
think
sir.
out of the box.
Okay, so
Something.
I think 1 hour is over, my 1 hour is over. So please tell me, how was today's fluency session? Yeah, Harshdeep, would you like to add
Sir,
something?
sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
माइंड में तो सर बहुत कुछ आता है, बट सर वर्ड ही नहीं आते इंग्लिश में, तो कहूँ क्या?
आएगा आएगा, उसी उसी के लिए तो ये फ्लुएंसी सेशन है। हम लोग आपसे बुलवाएंगे, ये हमारा जिम्मेदारी है, ठीक है? हाँ, 1 दिन में नहीं होगा, 2 दिन में नहीं होगा, लेकिन कुछ दिन में आपको बुलवाएंगे और ये हमारा जिम्मेदारी है। जब पैरा जंपर होता है, आप पैरा जंपर के नाम सुने हो? तो पैरा जंपर फास्ट जंप कभी अपने से नहीं दे पाता है, उसका कमर में लात मार के उसको नीचे गिराना पड़ता है। जानते हो आप? नहीं जानते हो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्योंकि डर लगता है उसको कि गिरूंगा तो मेरा हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा, मैं मर जाऊंगा, तो कभी नहीं जंप कर पाता है। लेकिन फर्स्ट जंप उसका कोच मारता है, ऐसे वो गिरता है, उसके बाद उसका हिम्मत हो जाता है।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Okay, so right now I am finished with my today's topic. Actually, this is only 1 hour, so I cannot deliver all my topic to you. But you all please have some water, because our specialist language trainer Mahinur ma'am, you all have seen her name in the Know Your Coaches list. So ma'am, I am welcoming you on behalf of all the participants, this active participant. And you know what, Mahinur ma'am is one of the best specialist language trainer in this platform, and she has been teaching more than last 6 years. She's senior to me, okay, and her students number is more than 5,000. They are working in all around the India, pan India. This is the pan India platform. So ma'am, on behalf of all, I am welcoming you. This is your session now.
Thank you so much, sir. Just make me host.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir. It was very much thought provoking.
Absolutely.
Nice, sir.
Yeah, I will come to you again. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so hello and welcome you all to this amazing neuro grammar session. Hello, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Thank you for.
Hello.
Okay. Sir, am I visible properly?
Yes.
Yes, you are visible, but ma'am, I am not able to make you host. I don't know why. I am making you co-host, ma'am.
Okay, no worry.
Somehow the network is disturbing.
Okay.
Okay,
So thank
ma'am,
you so much, sir. And have you taken one slot?
1-to-1? No.
Okay, so kindly just ask for 1-on-1.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So everyone, as you have participated in this fluency session very actively, so ma'am has given you one opportunity for one bonus session. Tomorrow, you and we both coach. You one person, only one of you, and we both coach will go for 1-to-1 session to discuss about your strength and weakness. Okay, what do you learn? What would you learn? What would you like to learn? And what is your strength and your weakness? What is your level? We will discuss and we will decide and we will advise you what is the area you have to work on. Okay, so it is not forced, but it is recommended. आप लोगों को ये recommend किया जाता है कि आप लोग ये 1-to-1 मीटिंग में आइए और अपना strength और weakness के बारे में हमारे साथ discuss कीजिए. So I believe you all are volunteered to join because you have paid and you are attending this 3-day workshop. So it is one of that bonus. So you will come and join. So let me tell you what is the convenient times. Tomorrow is Saturday. तो Saturday को तो सबको छुट्टी होता है. अगर किसी को छुट्टी नहीं होता तो बताओ, नहीं तो फिर हम लोग दोपहर में बैठते हैं. मैम कितने बजे? 3 बजे से? What is the convenient timing?
Yes, after 3 means 3:30.
3:30 to 4:30. After
Yeah,
3:30,
that is
3:30 to
important.
4:30. So who is going to join 3:30 to 3:45? Ma'am, are you noting this?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So 3:30 to 3:45, Harshdeep.
I'll join.
Harshdeep, 3:30 to 3:45. Okay. After that, 3:45 to 4. किसको जाना है? आयुष. Ayush, 3:45 to 4, okay for you?
Four. No,
Ayush,
actually comfortable for 4 o'clock.
Okay, Ayush 4 to 4:15. Okay, so who will going?
Yes.
Who would go for 3:45 to 4? Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
3:45 to 4 आपके लिए सही है?
Can
अनिकेत के लिए
you
सही है? अच्छा, अनिकेत प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. आपको 3:45 to 4 दिया, ठीक है? Aniket, it's okay? 3:45 to 4 is okay for you? You are muted actually, you are stuck. So, Subhash ji, what is your convenient time? 4:15 to 4:30?
Okay, Usha. Okay. Usha 3:45. Yes. Who wants 4:15? 4:15?
4:15 to
Yogi,
4:30?
Ranjit.
नहीं मैम.
Yes. So what
4:15.
is your convenient time? Subhash.
4:15.
My time, madam.
Aniket is saying something, ma'am. Aniket, please.
4:15. 4:15 is okay for me. Is it earlier slots available? Before
Yes,
the
Subhash.
4:15?
Yes, ma'am. 5 to 5:15.
5
Is it possible 4:30? Subhash.
5 to 5:15
No,
बोला
madam.
सुभाष जी ने.
Okay,
That time
fine.
my 5 to 5.
Okay. और रंजीत जी का टाइमिंग क्या है?
After 6 p.m.
After 6. Okay, I will sit with you after 6. Okay. So Ranjit ji after 6. 6 to 6:15, okay?
Okay.
So Hardeep 3:30, Ayush 4 p.m., Usha 3:45, Ankita 4:15, Subhash 5 and Ranjit 6.
Somesh is left.
Okay.
Somesh, what is it?
Hello.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, दोबारा
Yes,
बोलो.
Aniket, your time is 4:15.
Yes, sir. It was 4:15, but I am asking for earlier slots.
Okay, 3:15.
3:15 is possible?
3:15 also possible.
3:15 is okay, sir.
Somesh, your timing, Somesh?
3:15.
Then on 4:30 then.
4:30. So Somesh को 4:30 दे दीजिए.
Okay.
तो किसी का छोटा क्या? संदीप जी, उषा, अनीता, आयुष, रंजीत, अनिकेत, सुभाष, संदीप, हर्षदीप.
संदीप जी का नहीं हुआ है. संदीप जी का नहीं.
संदीप जी अपना टाइम बताओ. संदीप जी अपना टाइम बताओ.
Sir, 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay. 3:15 बोला तो 3 p.m.
Okay, sir.
3 to 3:15.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. I believe all has covered. All are covered. Shall I?
एक्चुअली मुझे लगता नहीं है कि मेरे लिए कल में पॉसिबल हो पाएगा. मुझे ना कल डॉक्टर के पास जाना है और दिल्ली जाना है.
Anytime, is it not possible? Anytime?
आप अपना टाइम दो अनीता जी.
आई डोंट नो सर कि सुबह हम जाएंगे और फिर रास्ते में ट्रैफिक और घर कब आएंगे, कब होगा, तो इसलिए मैं फिक्स नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
Okay, so whenever you will be free ना, you can call us.
यस यही मैं ऐसा करूंगी. जैसे ही मुझे लगेगा तो आई विल कनेक्ट विद यू. तो
Okay.
जो टेक्स्ट है व्हाट्सएप पे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ एकदम.
Yes.
ठीक है सर, मैं उसमें टेक्स्ट कर लूंगी एक बार.
Okay.
ठीक है. थैंक यू सो
Okay,
मच.
sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. You please carry on.
Sir, just take a screenshot, okay, and share with me.
Okay, yes, sure.
So everyone, how was your fluency session? Have you all enjoyed the session?
Yes.
Okay.
Enjoyed
Are
a
you
lot.
feeling confident now?
Yes.
Very good.
We
So
are-
that was your quantity practice, speaking more and more to build your confidence. But now it's time to focus on your quality part. Okay? Quantity. Fluency is all about quantity and grammar is all about quality. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. And for that, this side Mahinur, a specialist language trainer at IGQ Value Adder Academy. And my mission to make grammar simple, practical, and powerful. So are you all excited for neuro grammar session?
Yes.
So have you ever heard about neuro grammar? What is neuro grammar?
No.
No, no.
I don't
No.
know.
Okay. So neurogrammar is a scientific and smart way to learn grammar. It is a scientific and smart way to learn grammar. It is not a bookist or simple grammar. Tell me, what does grammar mean according to you? What does grammar mean according to you? Yes,
प्लीज जिसका भी पीछे से वॉइस आ रहा है ना
voices are
जब
coming.
आवश्यकता तभी खोलें प्लीज
Harshdeep, kindly mute yourself. So everyone, kindly mute yourself. Whenever you want to speak anything, then unmute. So tell me, what does grammar mean according to you? Yes, Sandeep, Subhash, Ayush, yes, tell me.
Grammar to make sentences correct.
As per my opinion, the grammar represents the information about the futures, present and current, and present and future and past. They are informing. They are informing to the. This is the thoughts. I can say. This is a way of the communication which we have to communicate the someone. So we have to inform this sentence is a present basis. Yeah, this is the future and yeah past basis. I think this is the way.
And Anita also want to speak. So first of all, I want to ask you all who joined yesterday's session. Who all joined yesterday's session? Everyone? So you learned right brain. You learned about right brain. Okay. So now give me one example. What does grammar mean according to you by using your right brain? आप अपने right brain को use करके कोई ऐसा एक explanation दो. What does grammar mean according to you? I don't want any guess grammar. Yes, tell me, Subhash.
Yes, sir. Grammar is the important part in the language of English because we give the corrections of the language, proper pause, proper full stops, and all things that teaches in the part that is a grammar. Grammar is the corrections of
Very good.
in language.
Yes, Anita.
Ma'am, according to me, it just help us to create a correct sentence.
Very good. So I told you have to use your right brain and give me one explanation. अपने right brain को थोड़ा use कीजिए, थोड़ा मसाला add कीजिए, थोड़ा कुछ इसमें add कीजिए. These all are a simple example. Okay, now I am going to share you one simple example. According to me, grammar is just like a traffic rules. It's just like a traffic rules. Just like traffic rules helps car move on the road safely and smoothly, in the same way grammar helps to make sentence more correctly. Sandeep, what will happen if you don't follow the traffic rules? Then what will happen on the road? Tell me.
मैम नो आइडिया मैम
अगर आप ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे रोड पे तो क्या होगा?
मैम आई नीड मी मैम क्वांटिटी मैम नॉट मैम क्वालिटी प्रेजेंट टाइम मैम.
Okay, don't worry. Yes, Yogi. Somesh.
Definitely
Unmute.
accident.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely accident will happen.
Your
And
voice is
also,
not coming properly.
actually,
Take your
my
mic.
mic is not very good right now.
Not it's okay. Take your mic.
Okay. Okay, so like definitely accident will happen, and also it will cause like more traffic if we'll not follow the traffic rules properly.
Right. And what will happen if we will follow the traffic rules on the road?
We can reach our destination more safely and fast as well without
Right.
any convenience.
Yeah, without any struggle. So same way with grammar. With grammar, our language sounds precise, polished, and powerful. And without grammar, our language sounds messy and risky. Right? Without grammar is speaking just like driving on the road without signals. Risky and messy. Are you all getting me? Okay. So in today's session, we are going to learn 4 golden rules. These are the Brahmastra of grammar. If you will learn these 4 golden rules, you will never make any sentence wrongly. I am giving you 100% assurance. Okay? So guys, we all have been learning grammar since our childhood. We don't have learned only. हमने सिर्फ पढ़ा नहीं, अभी तक पढ़ रहे हैं. Right? We all have been learning. And we all have learned parts of speech in grammar. So, have you remembered how many parts of speech in whole grammar? This is the foundation. Yes, Usha, tell me.
Ma'am, subject,
Wait,
object,
this is
verb.
not parts of speech. There are different criteria. Anyone?
Speech, indirect speech.
Take your mic.
Sorry. Direct speech and indirect speech.
That is called narration.
Okay, then what you want? Part of speech.
Yes, Subhash, Anita, Harshdeep, anyone?
Noun, pronouns,
Very good,
verbs,
very good.
verbs,
And
verbs, tenses.
not tenses. Tenses are different. Everything.
Noun,
Yes.
noun, pronouns, verb, adverb,
Adjectives.
etc.
Okay, so there are 8 parts of speech. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech in whole grammar: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. And we need these parts of speech to make sentence. But do you know, in those parts of speech, only one part of speech plays a vital role in whole grammar? In those part of speech, which part of speech is as important that without we cannot make any single sentence? कौन सा है एक? Are you all getting my question first of all?
Ma'am, repeat question.
There are 8 parts of speech, okay? But in those 8 parts of speech, one part of speech is most important. कि उसके बिना make the sentence नहीं बना सकते. We can't frame any single sentence.
Verb, ma'am, verb.
Okay, verb. Wow, great. Yes, verb. Without verb, we cannot make any single sentence. Not possible at all. Verb is like a heart of the sentence. It is like a soul of the sentence. Let me show my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is verb? Verb is an essential word of any sentence, like a soul. As soul is an essential part of our body. If our soul goes away, what will happen?
Only body will remain.
Yes, the body will die. So the same way with sentence. If Verb, we remove the verb, the sentence will die. It's like a bridge. There is a bridge. Is there anything else? ब्रिज के साथ आपको कुछ और दिख रहा है?
One that is pyramids.
Yes.
Pool.
Pillars.
Pillars, support pillars, two supports pillar. But if we remove these two supports pillars, then what will happen?
The bridge will collapse.
The bridge will be collapse.
Same way with sentence. Sentence needs supports of verb. If we remove these two verb supports, means supports of verb, if we remove, then the sentence will collapse. The sentence will be meaningless. So we can say no verb, no sentence. Yes verb, yes sentence. Am I right?
Right.
So do you know about neural path of verb forms? Neural path of verb forms.
I don't know.
No, ma'am. Don't know. Okay. So what do you mean by neural path? Any idea? Any idea about neural path? Only neural path. Neural path means there are some path in our brain. Neural means related to our brain. And neural path means whatever we learn and whatever we do repeatedly in our life, that neural path has created in our brain. जो भी आप काम repeatedly करते हो उसका एक न्यूरल पाथ आपके माइंड में क्रिएट हो जाता है. For an example, if you ask to any kid, A4 without a single second, what he say? क्या बोलेगा वो बच्चा? A4?
Apple
or aeroplane. They never say apricot or any arrow or anything else because it has created in their brain. So that is called neural path. And neural path of verb forms means we all have been learning some verb forms since our childhood. हम बचपन से verb के forms पढ़ रहे हैं. What are those? What we have been learning? 3 verb forms, right? That verb forms is created in our brain. क्या है वो verb के forms?
Each, are.
No. V1, V2, V3. First form, second form, and third form.
Yes, sir.
Give me one example, anyone. Verb forms example.
Present, past, future, right?
Present, past, and future.
No, present, past, and future is these are the tenses.
Go on.
Verbs
Go on.
are present form, past form, and past participle. V1, V2, and V3. For example, do, did, done.
Yeah.
Go,
Give,
went,
gave,
gone.
gave.
Yes,
Give,
yes.
gave.
Yeah. No. Give, gave, given.
Yes.
V3 form given. Write, wrote, written. Drive, drove, driven. So we all have learned 3 verb forms. Right? That has
Yes.
created in our brain. But today I'm going to remake this neural path of verb forms. I'm going to add some extra verb forms in your brain. Okay? Because here we are learning neurogrammar. It is not a simple grammar. अभी तक आपने 3 forms पढ़े थे verb के. But आज आप पढ़ेंगे more than 3 forms. So everyone, we all have our family. We all have our family.
Yes.
Yes.
And we all have one guardian of the family. Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
It could be a mother or father or yourself or your husband or mother-in-law, father-in-law. कोई भी हो सकता है ना guardian of the family. So
Yes.
the same way verb has its own family. Verb के भी क्या है? उसके own families है. And we all have one and verb has its own guardian of the family. Verb का भी guardian है. Okay? So let's meet with verb family. the verb family, and the guardian of the family is and the guardian of the family is none other than mother. Okay, mother is the guardian of the family. As she is a mother, so she gives some birth. Okay, she is a mother and she gives some birth, and she got twins in her first delivery. Mute everyone, some voices are coming. Okay, so Sandeep, are you getting? संदीप आप सोच रहे हो क्या?
नो मैम, नथिंग, बट वो लाउडली जो बैकग्राउंड से म्यूजिक आ रहा है ना, किसी को थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब कर दे रहा है।
जी जी हाँ, मैंने बोला इसलिए सबको म्यूट कीजिए। हाँ, सो मदर वर्ब and she got twins in her first delivery. Okay, and she named them present form 1 and present form 2. And in her second delivery she got past form. In her third delivery she got present participle form. In her fourth delivery she got past participle form. In her fifth and last delivery she got infinite form. So now tell me, how many verb forms are there in verb family?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6 forms, ma'am.
6 form. Yes, what about other Subhash and Sandeep, Aniket, Anita?
6 form, madam.
5. So are you including mother verb? मदर वर्ब को आप इंक्लूड करें, मदर को तो हम इंक्लूड करते हैं ना अपनी फैमिली में, so we include our mother in our family.
7 होगा.
There are 7 members in verb family. Mother verb, present form 1,
Yes.
present form 2, past form, present participle, past participle, and infinite form.
7 parts. 7 members.
Yes. So now we can make 7 verb forms with one verb. Earlier we can only make 3 verb forms, but now we can make 3 verb forms. Let's see how. So these are the sequence: mother verb, present form 1, present form 2, past form, present participle, past participle, and infinite form. So what is mother verb? First of all, what is mother verb? Mother verb is the base form of any verb. किसी भी verb का जो base form होता है, that is called mother verb. For example, do. What will be present form 1? So present form always look like its mother. Present form क्या है? अपनी mother के जैसा दिखता है. So what will be present form of do?
Do.
Very good. For making present form 2, we have to put s or es according to the verb. We have to put s or es after mother verb.
Does.
Does.
Does, ma'am.
What will be past form means V2 form. Verb second form. Very good. Present participle. For making present participle, add ing after mother verb.
Doing.
Past participle means V3 form.
Done.
Very good. And infinite form, add 2 before mother verb. Add 2 before mother verb. Mother verb is to do. So these are the sequence to make 7 verb forms. So इस sequence से आप किसी भी verb का 7 forms बना सकते हो by using this sequence. So take a screenshot of this verb. It will help you in 4 golden rules. Take a screenshot. Then shall we go ahead?
Yes,
Next, succeed. What will be present form 1? It's your turn. Harshdeep. Present form 1.
Succeed.
Harshdeep. Succeed. Good. Yes, Sandeep. Present form 2. Harshdeep. Share your answer. Aniket,
Succeed.
Subhas, Juki. Succeeds. Succeeds. Yes. Everyone participate. Ayush. Past form?
Succeeds.
Succeeded. No,
Succeeded.
succeeded. V2 form.
Yes.
Past form means verb second form. Present participle? Present participle?
Succeeds.
Succeeded.
ING.
Succeeding.
Ayush. Anita, everyone
Succeeded.
participate. Succeeding. Past participle? Past participle?
Succeeded.
Infinite form?
Succeeding. Succeeded.
No. Put to before mother verb. Mother verb से पहले to add कीजिए.
To succeed.
To succeed. Very good. Now, have. What will be present form 1?
Have.
Present form 2?
Had.
Past form?
Had.
Present participle?
Having.
Having.
Past participle?
Has.
Had been.
Had.
V3 form क्या होता है have का? Have, had and?
Had. Had.
Ah, right. Next. Infinite form?
Having. Had.
Very good.
To had.
Eat. What will be present form 1?
Eat. Eated.
Present form 2?
Eated. Eats.
Past form?
Eaten.
No, ate.
Ate.
Present participle?
Eating.
Past participle?
Eaten.
Eaten.
Infinite form?
To eat.
Eat. To eat.
So now are you getting how can we make 7 verb forms? Everyone? Okay. अभी मैं आपको एक न्यू चीज दिखाती हूँ. Okay. So in whole grammar there is one verb called exception. पूरी ग्रामर में एक verb called exception. What is that verb? Let's see. This verb has more than 7 member. ये एक ऐसा verb है जो रूल फॉलो नहीं करता है और इसे हम कहते हैं exception verb because it has 3 present form, 2 past form. Do you have any idea which verb is this?
Cut.
No. That is different thing. These are the 3 forms. I'm asking for which verb has 3 present form. कि कौन से verb का 3 present form होता है? Cut. All are 3 forms. V1, V2, V3 all will be cut. उसका past form भी cut होता है, but वो different है. उसका कौन सा verb है जिसका present form ही 3 होता है? आपने सुना है be verb?
B. Yes.
B. Yes.
What is be verb? क्या होता है be verb? हाँ किसी कोई बोल रहे हैं ना, करेक्ट बोल रहे हैं. बोलिए आप. किसी का आंसर आ रहा है, बहुत स्लो आ रहा है. Who is this? Everyone kindly participate. Yes, Subhash, are you saying something? No idea. So is, am and are. We use all 3 verbs for present form na? With he, is, with I, am, with you, are. But हम क्या करते हैं, ये तीनों को present form के लिए use करते हैं. So be verb present form called is, am, are. Is, am, are called be verb. What will be past form?
Was, where.
Was and were, not where. Where means कहाँ. Present participle? Same process. Put ing after mother verb.
Present
Be
person.
is the mother verb and put ing after mother verb. Being. Past participle form. Being. Being. And infinite form.
To be.
To be. Very good. Take a screenshot of this verb. Done?
Done.
Is there any question? Anyone? Any confusion or any question you can ask me? Any question? Anything? Any confusion? No question? Shall I go ahead?
No.
Yes.
Okay,
No,
let's
ma'am.
see. Now let's do some advanced verbs. Okay? अब थोड़ा advanced verb देखते हैं. What is written on the screen?
Malfunction.
What is the meaning of malfunction? Do you know?
Not working correctly.
Something not working properly. Very good. What will be present form 1?
Malfunction.
Malfunction.
Past present form 2? Past, everyone.
Malfunctions. Malfunctions.
Very good. Past form? What will be past form? Present participle? Past participle?
Malfunctioning.
Past participle? P3 form. Malfunctioned again.
Malfunction.
Malfunction.
Pronounce it. Pronounce this word.
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop. Eavesdrop. And what is the meaning of eavesdrop?
I don't know.
Yes?
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop means to listen someone's conversation secretly.
Okay.
Listen someone's conversation secretly. What will be present form 1, present form 2? Fast.
Eavesdrop. Eavesdrops.
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdropping. Eavesdrop.
Eavesdropping.
Your practice is done. It's over right now. आपने बहुत स्पीड बोला, अब आपका प्रैक्टिस हो गया. Am I right? Now you are comfortable to make 7 verb forms. Now tell me. You can see present mother verb and present form 1 look like same. Right? Mother verb and present form both are same.
Yes.
But if you make any sentence, how can you identify which one is in present form, which one is in mother form? I am showing you one example. I cook rice. Just give me 1 minute, I have a call.
Mother verb, parent verb.
How to differentiate?
I cook rice. Here cook is in which form? Mother form or present form 1?
Mother form.
Mother form.
Mother form. Why it is in mother form? Any reason?
I.
Okay. Anyone else want to say anything? Ranjit, Ayush, Ankit, Aniket, Anita, Usha. This is in which form? Present form or mother form? Okay. So no one is saying anything. I think everyone having dinner. So, okay, so here cook is in mother verb. It's wrong. So always remember, present form comes alone in a sentence without any helping verb. Harshdeep, Subhas, are you getting? जब
Yes,
भी
yes.
आपको same दिख रहा है, so always remember present form comes alone without any helping verb, but mother form comes always with helping verb. Okay?
Yes, yes. Yes.
So here cook is alone. So this is in which form? Here cook is in which form?
Present.
Present form. Very good. Present form. Cook. But if I say I could cook rice, I can cook rice, I shall cook rice, here cook is in which form?
I could rise.
Mother form.
Here it is in mother form because mother form comes with helping verb. Got it? Again, same question with cooked. You cooked rice. Here cooked is in which form? Past form or
Past form.
Past participle.
Why it is in past form, not past participle form?
Past participle form.
Okay, past participle. Why it is in past participle form? I'm asking to anyone, Anita, Usha, Ayush, kindly answer. Aniket, Sandeep, Somesh. Why it is in past participle form? Any reason?
He is not using his helping verb.
Because
Plus ed hai, ma'am.
Yes.
Verb is cooked.
Helping verb.
Cook with ed, ma'am.
हाँ विथ ईडी तो ये कौन सा फॉर्म में पास्ट फॉर्म में या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म में है बिकॉज पास्ट फॉर्म भी कुक्ड होता है पास्ट पार्टिसिपल भी कुक्ड होता है V2 and V3 both are cooked.
Past participle.
Past form comes alone in a sentence, but past participle always comes with helping verb. Same with past and past participle. जैसा देखिए went क्या होता है verb second form means past form. So आप जब भी बोलते हो I went there, आप ऐसा नहीं बोलते हो ना I have went there. आप went हम सिंगल यूज करते I went there. I went to school. I went to office. Anywhere. But अगर आप gone यूज करते मीन्स V3 फॉर्म past participle form. So आप क्या यूज करते I have gone there. I had gone there. She has gone there. So past form comes alone, but past participle comes with helping verb. Okay?
Okay.
You have cooked rice. You had cooked rice. You will have cooked rice. So here cooked is in which form?
Past participant.
Past participle because past participle comes with helping verb. For note, past verb is single verb in a sentence, but past participle comes with other helping or auxiliary verb. Like she made a toy is past. She has made a toy, past participle. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion till now?
No.
You can ask me right now, otherwise I am going to next part. So as I told you, we are going to run 4 golden rules, right? So now it's time to start 4 golden rules. Okay? So as we all have our family, verb has its own family. So we all have one guardian of the family, verb has its own guardian. So guys, we all have our friends in our life.
Yes, ma'am.
So verb has its own friends. Okay? उनका भी कोई partner है. Let's see. And you have to write it down. Now I am going to share you 4 golden rules. अब आपको लिखना है rules. First rule. Be verb and present participle. Is it visible?
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
My screen is visible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No,
Repeat
ma'am.
again, madam.
Okay, write it down. Be verb equal to present participle means whenever be verb comes, after that past participle comes, present participle comes. जब भी be verb आएंगे, be verb क्या क्या थे आपने पढ़ा है ना अभी? Be, is, am, are, was, were, being, been, to be, all are be verb. And after be verb always comes present participle form means ing form. Got it?
Yes.
Rule number 2. Have verb and past participle. What are have verbs? पढ़ा है ना भी have verb 7 forms. क्या क्या है? Anita, what are 7 verb forms of have? Anita?
Have, has, had, having,
Having, had, to have.
had to have.
Very good. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म मींस V3 फॉर्म. जब भी have verb आता है, have, has, had, having, had, to have, anything after that always comes past participle form. Now rule number 3, do verb and mother form. What are do verbs? What are do verbs?
Do, does, did, doing, did, to do.
Done, to do. And after that always comes mother form. Mother form means base form of any verb. उसके बाद जो भी verb आएगा उसका base form आएगा. Last, modal verbs. What are modal verbs? Will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, would, should. Okay? Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, do, all are called modal verbs. And after modal verb always comes mother form. So mother form किसके साथ आता है? Do verb के साथ and mother form के modal verbs के साथ. तो आपने 4 rules लिख लिया. Done?
Yes.
Done, everyone? So
Yeah,
as I
done.
told you, I am going to share 4 golden rules. That is Bhamastra of grammar. ये क्या है? Grammar का Bhamastra है. After learning these 4 rules, you will never make any sentence wrongly. You can correct your sentence by your own. Okay? So बस आपको ये रूल अप्लाई करना है कि जब भी be verb आता है उसके बाद ing form means present participle. जब भी have verb आता है past participle. जब भी do verb आता है mother form. And after modal verb भी हमें मदर फॉर्म करना है. सो हाउ? लेट्स डू प्रैक्टिस. अब हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. शी लव्स मी. इज इट करेक्ट?
She loves me.
शी लव्स. वेरी गुड. Okay, 1 minute. So have you written 4 rules or not, first of all? Because if you don't write now, it will not help you. Let's see. She have a car. Is it correct?
She has a car. Yes.
Is it correct?
Incorrect.
How?
She has a car.
She has a car. So ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? प्रेजेंट फॉर्म. देखिए, बिकॉज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म कम्स अलोन. ये प्रेजेंट फॉर्म 2 है हैव का, राइट? लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल. दे गॉन टू पार्टी. Is it correct?
No, they go to party.
They went to party because past form comes alone, but past participle comes with helping verb. या आपको they have gone to party भी लिख सकते हैं. Both are correct. So gone never comes alone. They went to party or they have gone to party because went आएगा तो single आएगा, gone आएगा तो उसके साथ have आएगा. Raj know me very well.
Knows me very well.
Very good. Knows me very well. Butterfly fly high.
Butterfly flies high.
Flies.
Correct.
Right. They going to party.
They are going to party.
They are going to party. Why they are going to party? Sumesh? Could you explain by 4 golden rules?
Because helping verb, we need to add helping verb before past participle. Yeah.
And before ing means
Yeah.
the present participle से पहले क्या आएगा? Be
Be
verb.
verb.
They are going to party. Okay, let's see some example, more example. I am going to temple. Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct? How is it correct? Could you explain it by using the
Not
rules?
good.
Am is a be verb. Okay?
Yes.
Am is a be verb. Is, am are called be verb. And after be verb, present participle form comes. So going is in present participle form. So like that, we can check our sentence whether it is correct or not.
Right.
I have going
Correct.
to temple. Is it correct sentence?
I am going to temple. No.
I have going to temple. Is it correct, Ranjit?
I am going
No.
to temple.
So after have which form comes? You have to correct verb forms. जो main verb होता है means action verb. आपको वो change करना है.
I have
So you have to
I
change.
have gone to temple.
I am
I
going
have
to
gone
temple.
to. No, no, no. I have के बाद क्या आएगा? Have के बाद कौन सा form आता है?
Oh, I have.
Rule check कीजिए. देखिए after have verb past participle form comes. So going का past participle form क्या होता है?
I have went
Gone.
to
Gone. I have gone to temple.
I have gone.
Okay?
Huh.
So this is wrong. I have gone to temple will be correct. Have is have verb and after have verb past participle form. Let's see more example. I did not go to temple. Is it correct?
I did not go to temple. I did not
Is
went
it
to
correct
temple.
sentence?
yes.
Wrong. I did not gone to temple. I did not
Yes,
went.
Sandeep, Niket, Somesh. Is it correct sentence or not, Harshdeep?
I do not go to temple.
Okay. Yes, Umesh. Somesh. Pooja. Ayush.
I do
How
not
can you
go
check
to
your answer? I want to
Went.
share you just.
I did not
Yes,
went to
Subhash.
temple.
Okay, I did not went. Subhash.
No idea, madam.
Harshdeep. Unmute, unmute.
I did not going to temple.
Okay. So everyone, did is which verb? Did कौन सा verb है?
Past.
Did
Do verb है. Did. मैंने क्या बोला? Do verb क्या क्या? Do, does, did, doing, done, to do. All are called do verb, right? Like is, am, are, was, were, being, been, to be क्या है? Be verb है. मैंने वो बोला था ना, be verb के अंदर जो भी आपने वो कॉलम में लिखा है 7 verb forms, सारा वही होगा. So ये do verb है ना, do verb क्या क्या है? Do, does, did, doing, done, to do. Are you all
Ma'am,
getting
can
me?
you please
Everyone, kindly just answer.
Yes. Yes.
So it is under do verb.
repeat
Did
the do
is
verb?
called do verb. And after do verb always comes which form? After do verb, which form comes? Mother
Mother
form.
form.
Right? Mother form means this form. So go is in which form? Go कौन से form में है?
Mother form.
ये mother form है. It is correct or not?
Correct.
This is right, friendship. This sentence is right. You can check. I did not go to temple. लोग क्या करते हैं ना, I did not did past में है तो उसके साथ हम past form ही लगा देते हैं, या तो went लगा देते हैं या तो gone लगा देते हैं. both will be wrong. आप do I did के साथ यहाँ पे do I या does आता है, कुछ भी आता है, वो सारा कुछ होता है do verb के साथ वही आता है. I do not go to temple, I does not go to temple, I did not go to temple, all are correct.
Okay.
Any confusion? Are you getting me?
Yes.
सुभाष, कोई कंफ्यूजन हो रही है आपको?
No, no, ma'am.
हाँ, सो डू वर्ब के अंदर जो जो भी है, जैसे बी वर्ब में इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर आता है ना, तो इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर सबके साथ आप आईएनजी फॉर्म लगाते हैं ना. आई एम गोइंग टू टेम्पल, शी इज गोइंग टू, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू टेम्पल, वी वर गोइंग देयर, लाइक दैट. मॉडल वर्ब के साथ भी क्या आएगा? मदर फॉर्म. आई शुड गो टू टेम्पल, इज इट करेक्ट?
Yes, it is
Yes.
Should is a modal verb, and after
Yes.
modal verb, go is in mother form. I will have been sung a song. So how many verbs are there?
I will have been sung a song.
How many verbs are there? कितने verbs है?
1, 2,
How many
3,
verbs?
4, 5, 6.
2 months. 2. 4.
Verb कितने हैं? 4. Yes,
will
will, have,
Four.
been and sung.
sung.
देखिए हम verb ना बहुत important है. जैसा मैंने बोला था ना, verb is the soul of the sentence. Verb is the heart of the sentence. So if your verb will be wrong, then sentence will be wrong. अगर आपका verb wrong होता है ना, तो आपका सारा sentence ही wrong हो जाएगा. That is why we have to check our verbs. Kindly mute, some voices are coming. ठीक है.
Simple.
रंजीत म्यूट. हाँ. सो देखिए अब क्या चेक करेंगे, हमें स्टेप बाय स्टेप चेक करना है. फर्स्ट वर्ब विथ सेकंड वर्ब, देन सेकंड वर्ब विथ थर्ड वर्ब, देन थर्ड वर्ब विथ फोर्थ वर्ब. स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमें चेक करना है. सो विल इज अ विच वर्ब? विल कौन सा वर्ब है?
Main verb, mother verb, presume.
मॉडल वर्ब.
Model verb.
विल इज अ मॉडल वर्ब. एंड हैव कौन से फॉर्म में है? मदर फॉर्म. इज इट राइट फ्रेंडशिप? मॉडल वर्ब विथ मदर फॉर्म. रूल नंबर 4 में क्या था? मॉडल वर्ब विथ मदर फॉर्म.
Yes, it is right.
ठीक है, ये फ्रेंडशिप राइट हो गया हमारा. अब क्या चेक करना? हैव एंड बीन. आफ्टर हैव बीन इज इन विच फॉर्म? बीन कौन से फॉर्म में है? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म. तो आफ्टर हैव पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कम्स, राइट फ्रेंडशिप? तो ये रूल के अकॉर्डिंग राइट है ना, हैव के बाद पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म. नाउ अब क्या चेक करना हमें? बीन एंड संग. सो बीन इज अ बी वर्ब. बीन कौन सा वर्ब है? बी वर्ब. एंड बी वर्ब के बाद कौन सा फॉर्म आता है? गिव मी आंसर, एनी आंसर, राइट और रॉन्ग. बी वर्ब के बाद कौन सा फॉर्म आता है?
Present
अनम्यूट
participle.
एंड हाँ.
Present
So
participle.
is it correct? Sung? Is it correct? Sung? Sung is in which form? ये sung कौन से फॉर्म में है? Sing, sang, sung. Sung is a past participle form. Is it correct, friendship? Be or sung?
No, ma'am.
Been is a be
Sing.
verb.
Being
sing
sing a
का
song.
singing, not sing. Sing is the mother verb. ing उसके साथ लगाना है ना, singing. I have been singing a song will be correct. आप ऐसे सिर्फ चेक कीजिएगा ना कि वर्ब का बस ये 4 रूल्स आपको अप्लाई करना है. Then you will get any answer, whether it will be correct or not. I will have gone there. Is it correct? वैसे ही चेक करना, फर्स्ट वर्ब के साथ सेकंड वर्ब, देन सेकंड वर्ब के साथ थर्ड वर्ब. एक बार ट्राई कीजिए आप लोग अपने एंड से. विल विथ हैव, इज इट करेक्ट फ्रेंडशिप? विल कौन सा वर्ब है?
फ्यूचर.
मॉडल वर्ब. ओके. एंड हैव ये कौन से फॉर्म में हैव अभी? मदर फॉर्म. तो ये राइट है, मॉडल वर्ब एंड मदर फॉर्म.
Yes, it is right.
अब ये हैव यहाँ है ना, हैव के बाद गॉन. गॉन कौन से फॉर्म में है? आफ्टर हैव पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म. करेक्ट है. आफ्टर हैव वर्ब, ये हैव के बाद पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, ये करेक्ट है.
Yes.
तो दिस सेंटेंस इज ट्रू. बस आपको ये 4 रूल्स जस्ट आपको लर्न करना है और इसे अप्लाई करना है. आप कैसे भी आंसर हो आप समझ जाओगे. शी इज लव्ड मी, इज इट करेक्ट?
No.
No.
So what will be right?
She was loved me.
She was loved me.
Why
She was.
was? इसके बाद क्या होता है? Is a be verb. Be verb के बाद क्या आएगा?
She is loving me.
She is loving me. Was loved.
Oh.
Was के साथ भी loving आएगा because was भी क्या है? Be verb है. She was loved me. ये क्या होता है ना? ये आपका पैसिव सेंटेंस हो जाता है. एक्टिव पैसिव सेंटेंस जो बनाते हैं ना वो हो जाता है. वो नॉर्मल सेंटेंस नहीं हुआ है. She is loving me. She has did his work. Is it correct?
She has did his work.
She has did his work.
She did his work.
Yes, it is correct.
Correct. So, Somesh, you are saying correct. So, has is a have verb. After have verb, which form comes according to the rule? After have verb. After have verb. Have verb क्या क्या?
Past
Have, has.
participle.
Past participle. So, what will be right answer? He has. Did का
Doing.
past participle form क्या होगा? Doing.
He is doing his work.
Yes, doing.
Doing ing present participle होता है. Doing. Past participle will be done.
He has done his work.
He has done his work. आपने देखा ना स्क्रीनशॉट भी लिया था. Do, does, did, doing, done,
Yeah.
to do. So you have to check your means sentence by like this. नहीं तो आपका सेंटेंस रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. आप लिखो या बोलो. Butterfly will be flown high. Is it correct? We have just completed. Okay, just give me 2 minutes.
Wrong, ma'am.
How
Butterfly
it is?
flying high. Flying
Flying high.
Butterfly
Will be
Will be
flying high.
flying high.
Will be
because
flying
be
high.
verb. After be verb, present participle comes. Will be flying high. He will be done his work.
Doing.
Very good. He will be doing his work. देखिए अभी कैसा क्या करना है? be verb के बाद क्या आएगा? ing form ऐड कर देंगे. Did the dog bark? Is it correct? Did the dog bark?
Correct.
Correct. Usha did कौन सा verb है? Do verb है. Did. Do, does, did, doing all are called do verb. Do verb के बाद क्या आएगा? Mother form.
Bark. Bark only.
Did the dog bark? ये past दोनों नहीं होगा. Do verb के बाद mother form का. She had went to school.
She went to school.
She went to school, correct? And with had, अगर had के साथ लिखना है तो क्या लिखोगे?
She had gone to school.
Very good. You can write she went to school or she had gone to school. With had went never comes. It will be wrong. यहाँ वो typo mistake है, ये gone होगा. Okay?
Okay.
She has been tried to go to do her homework. She has been tried to do her homework.
Trying. She has
She
been
has
trying.
been trying because been is a be verb. Been भी be verb के अंडर आता है. Very good. She will has completed his task. Sorry, he will has completed his task.
He will have.
Is it correct?
No.
What will be correct?
Completing his
He
task.
will
No,
has
has के
completing
बाद
his task.
completing कैसे होगा?
He
हाँ,
will
क्या
have.
बोला आपने?
Complete होगा.
Will complete his task.
No, Sumesh is correct.
He will have
He
completed
will
his
have.
task.
Will के बाद क्या है? Will is a model verb. Model verb के बाद mother form आता है. So has का mother form क्या होता है? Have.
Have. He will have completed.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have for today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So after this session, I will share you one assignment. Okay. What you have to do? You have to just correct the verb forms like that. जैसा अभी आपने किया है ना, verb के forms को change करना है. क्या change करना है? Main verb को, action verb को आपको change करना है. Have verb के साथ क्या आएगा? Past participle form. बस उसको क्या कीजिएगा? Past participle में change कर दीजिएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है? And you have to submit your assignment tomorrow by 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay? But
Okay.
after this session, you have to write your valuable feedback. How was the fluency and grammar session? Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So thank you so much, and we will meet tomorrow as per your timing.
Okay.
And those who has not taken VIP, you can take VIP. And VIP cost is $399. And in VIP, you will get all 3 days recording and 1 book written by Subhas Karthik sir. And you will get 1500 ka discount voucher, whatever sir will announce tomorrow the cost of the course.
Okay.
After these 3 days, we have another 3 months course. Okay? If anyone wants to upgrade yourself for VIP, so you can pay $399 and you can take VIP.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
Let's
you.
call it a day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Tridip sir. Thank you so much.